So I welcome you back, and today we are going to discuss the chapter playing with numbers. And the first part of this chapter we have simplifying the expressions. Okay, as you can see here, I have already written some expressions over here. So let's start solving these numbers, and you know very well by now that for solving these type of numbers we need to follow the BODMAS rule as well as the rule of brackets, right? So what is the BODMAS rule, if you all recall? Where B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And for the bracket also you have the rule, like in which sequence you need to open the brackets. The first one is the bar bracket, or it is also called as the vinculum, right? The next is the parenthesis or the common bracket, or we also call it as a moon bracket. Then we have the curly bracket, and then we have so whenever you have brackets, you are going to open the brackets in these sequence. Okay, so let's start solving the numbers. The first question, as you can see over here, 24 minus 3 multiplied to 15 divided by 5, right? So now students, let us follow the BODMAS rule. We don't have any bracket or off here, but we do have division, multiplication, and subtraction. So as you can see here, we can follow the DMAS rule. That means first the division, right? So where you have the division? Here. So we will solve the division. So step by step, try to solve each and every number step by step. Okay. So now let's just write down, copy down the questions. So I'll just copy up to multiplication. Now first I will solve division as per the BODMAS rule. So 15 divided by 5 will give me how much? 3, right? Next is multiplication. So I'll be multiplying these two numbers. So 24, and as you have already learned integers, now you know that 3 multiplied to 3 is 9, and this is minus, multiplied to plus is minus only. So 24 minus 9, and now we can find out the answer to the question. So we know that 24 minus 9, so 14 minus 9 is how much? 5, right? So 5, and this is 15. Okay, so 24 minus 9 will give us how much? 15. Now let's come to question number 2. 5 minus 8 divided by 4 of 2 minus 1, right? Here you have, along with the other operations, you have off. So off is nothing but multiplication, but then off should be solved first, right? So let's come to off directly. So off is in between 4 and 2. So first multiply 4 and 2, right? So 5 minus 8 divided by 4 of 2 is 4 multiplied to 2, that is 8 minus 1, right? So now next part is division. So go for division. Division is between 8 and 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, right? So 5, and we can also check the sign also here, minus 8 and plus 8. So obviously it is what? Minus only. Minus 1, minus 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1, minus and minus 1. Now you know that minus 1 and minus 1 can be written as minus 2. Both are negative, so add and give minus sign, right? And so ultimately we got the answer as 3. Clear? Let's come to question number 3. 40 divided by 4 multiplied to 2 minus 2. So here we have the bracket. So obviously we should solve the bracket first, right? So 40 divided by 4 multiplied to 2 is 8 minus 2. Next is division. 40 divided by 8 will give us 5. So 5 minus 2. So again we have got here 3. I think the idea is quite clear with everyone. Now let's come to number 4. 3 multiplied to 7 plus 18 divided by 2 plus 13, curly bracket closed, minus 4. Okay, so this is the question. So now let's solve it. So just as you can see here, students, you have two moon brackets or parentheses or common brackets, right? So let's solve these two together, right? So 3 multiplied to 7 plus 18 is 25. Now you can open the bracket. After solving, we can remove the bracket. Divided by 2 plus 13 is 15. Okay, 15. Then this bracket is also removed, and the curly bracket minus 4. Now the next intention should be to solve the bracket, and inside the bracket you have multiplication as well as division. So first solve the division, right? So 3 multiplied to 25 by 15. Now 25 by 15 is not completely divisible. So what we can do here, just write it like this. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25, right? So we got here 5 by 3. Now very easily you can cancel this 3 and 3. Now you can multiply also. So what is the answer inside this? 5, and just remove the bracket. 5 minus 4, that is equal to how much? 1. Okay, so this way easily you can solve it. Let's come to number 5 now. 54 divided by 14 minus 10 plus 2, the bar bracket of the vinculum, multiplied to 3. Yes, so now here we have two types of bracket, the moon bracket and the vinculum. So first let's solve the vinculum, right? So we have 14 minus 10 plus 2 is 12 multiplied to 3. So that gives us 54 divided by, solve the bracket, 14 minus 12 is 2 multiplied to 3. Now again you have division and multiplication, so go for division first. So we have 2 27s are 54, so 27 multiplied to 3, that will give us how much? 81. I think the idea is quite clear. Now let's come to question number 6. 5 plus 56 divided by 42 divided by 1 plus 2 multiplied to 2 plus 13, right? So now we have here first we have the curly bracket and the common bracket. So the first target should be to solve the common bracket, right? So 5 plus 56 divided by, so step by step have patience and solve it. So inside the common bracket you have 1 plus 2, so write it as 3 multiplied to 2, one step at a time, right? Now next 5 plus 56 divided by 42 divided by 3 multiplied to 2. So first let us solve division. So 42 is divided by 3, we know 14 will be the answer for this. 14 multiplied to 2 plus 13, right? So 5 plus 56 divided by, now inside the curly bracket let's solve the bracket first. So we have 14 2s are 28 plus 13, so that gives us, now we have division over here. So 56 divided by 28, so both are plus only. So 28 2s are 56, so 2 plus 13. So now easily you can add this, 5 plus 2 7 plus 13 is 20. Yes. Now let's come to the last question for today. So let's write down. So the question is question number 7. So we have here, as you can see, the common bracket, the curly bracket as well as the square bracket, right? So let's solve it. 15 minus common the square bracket, then the curly bracket, and your target should be to first solve the parenthesis or the common bracket. So inside the common bracket you can see, students, you have here 8 plus 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12. So after solving the common bracket is removed. Next we have 12 multiplied to 4, curly bracket closes, divided by 12 plus 7. Clear? Now we have 15 minus, let's solve the curly bracket next. So 12 4s are 48 divided by 12 plus 7. So now the curly bracket is also removed. Next we have to solve this square bracket. So next we have here division as well as addition. So let's solve the division first. 48 divided by 12 gives us 4 plus 7. So 15 minus 7 plus 4 is 11. So that gives us 4. Okay. So I hope this chapter is quite easy for you to understand, and please go through the video properly and solve each and every question. Okay. And in the next class we'll be discussing some more questions. So till then, study well. Take care.